Hey, this is Charan, this is AlphaMail. An AI-powered unified Gmail workspace I built to solve three common problems, which is inbox overload, slow retrieval, and lack of context across multiple accounts. Instead of just listing emails, it also helps users to search and prioritize and ads on what matters. So this is the initial interface of the dashboard. In order to get into the website, we have to sign in. Let's sign in. So already I have some credentials to enter to the website. I am entering the credentials and you can see the login success and continue the dashboard. And you can see this is the initial interface of the website. And here we can connect multiple Gmail accounts and manage under them under single interface. So let's connect one Gmail account. So you can see I login as gmail.com and this is the connect accounts button. You can see we can connect multiple Gmail accounts whichever we want. I'm selecting this account. Let's accept all the permissions to the Gmail. So what happens here means after the connection is completed, it fetches all the emails from the Gmail account and shows them in the left sidebar. So you can see syncing is in the progress. So you can see that there is without any refresh the email sidebar is updating because I use WebSockets. So that without refresh we can update the UI interface very fast and efficiently. So you can see that the mails syncing is completed and you can see left side mails came and let's select any mail and you can see that the mail thread is appeared here at the right side. So in the right part, we have two main viewports, which is clean and raw. Clean means we are seeing the just content of the mail without any images and without any distractions. Suppose if we go to raw, we can see that we can see the exact Gmail format here in the raw viewport, and in the details we can see about the thread. In the left side, we can see that there is an account, there is a filter called account filter, and there is a filter called date filter. So we can filter the emails here with the filters. Suppose if it, so default the mails which are here showing the today's mails, and if I click yesterday, we can see that the May 1st mails are appeared here. You can see that the presentation is also updated accordingly. Let's put it back again. And if you connect any multiple Gmail accounts, and we can also sort according to that only, according to the mails, according to the Gmails. So in the left side, you can see that there is a feature called pagination, which I implemented server-side pagination. So emails are loaded in the chunks, keeping the interface fast and responsive. And you can see that at the left side, we can see that each email has the tag like tag kind of thing, which is here this for this mail here we have spam deadline tag, and for this mail we have spam. If we explore further, you can see for this it has need reply, and for this it had deadline. So this is called as smart tagging. So emails are automatically categorized using smart tags. So I mainly divided into four categories: needs reply. First one is the needs reply. Second one is deadline. Third one is the follow up, and fourth one is the spam. So by this helps the users quickly prioritize their inbox without writing everything manually. So you can see that this mail contains the deadline date. That's why this email is categorized as deadline. See, this email says content which is needs reply, or we can see that urgent we have to reply. This is categorized as the need reply, so that users can filter this according to the tag and finds which mails he have to reply. Behind the scenes, the system uses a queue-based architecture with Redis and workers processes. Incoming emails are pushed into the queue and processed asynchronously and stored in the database. This allows the system to handle large volumes efficiently while keeping the UI responsive. Combined with the WebSockets, it delivers a real-time and scalable experience. And also, the main highlight of the project is the AI assistant here. At the bottom right, you can see that AlphaMail AI. This is an agentic assistant that understands user intent and interacts with the inbox. So, for example, I can ask what needs my attention today. Let's ask this. And it analyzes my emails and returns a prioritized summaries. So you can see that here what needs our attention today. You can see that from the top line we got subject Hola. Let's see whether it is present or not. Um, so you can see that this came from the top line, which is Hola. It has the subject which is it has the content which is needs reply answer. So we have to reply for this mail. We have to give attention to this mail, right? So that is and we got one email deadline which is an urgent from Charan with a deadline of 2026 6 and 12. As we seen before, we can see that see here the deadline is here and this mail came today only. So likewise this agentic AI will show the relevant emails so that instead of searching manually users can simply ask and act